Draw and learn! Oh, look at this yummy ice cream! Hello, kids! Today we want to coloring these ice creams with each other. Let's do it with me! At first, I'm using pink color. Which color do you want to use? You're so great! And now I'm using blue color. Repeat after me. Blue color. Do you like ice cream? Ice cream is so yummy. I like it very much. Please subscribe us. What's the next color? Oh, yellow color. And now I'm using purple color for here. And now I'm using green color for the last part. So colorful. That's so great. Let's color the funnel ice cream with each other. Keep going, kids. I'm using brown color. Orange color. Which color do you like for the funnel ice cream? What about red color? Do you like it? It seems that it's so yummy. Pink color. Oh look, the funnel ice cream is so happy. Let's using yellow color for here. That's so nice! Excellent, kids! Now I want to color the third ice cream. At first, I'm using light blue color. If you like to eat ice cream very much, don't forget to brush your teeth. If you like to see our videos, please subscribe us. Keep going, kids. I'm sure we can color it very well. Let's using purple color. Which color do you like for the last part? What about pink color? Do you like it? Oh, finished! You're so great! Thank you for watching me!
Pika, pika!
Hello, kids! Today we want to draw a yummy ice cream! Let's go! Don't forget to subscribe me! finished! That's so great! Thank you for watching me! See you in the next video! Bye bye!